magic monk, Teddy the magic monk.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1.
Oops, sorry.
That's right. So this is actually not an easy song to start off, but Lacey's doing really well. So there are a few things that we can correct when you're dancing as a beginner. So the first thing is you can see that when Lacey does the back step, she doesn't fully commit her weight to it, and that's totally normal for a beginner. So basically for a back step, what you want to do is you want to put your whole body weight onto the foot before you come forward again. So some of your back steps are sort of like just a bit quick.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, because if you do it too quickly, what's going to happen is you're not letting the leader pull you back. You're just coming back on your own.
Okay, yep.
And then same thing as, so when you come forward, same thing. You want to commit your body weight and then go back. Okay. And then same thing when you go back, commit your body weight, then come forward.
Okay.
Yeah. So with that extra tip, let's try it again to the music. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, really good.